Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to continue the lesson 6, slide organization in the PowerPoint. And today we are going to see two topics, that is inserting text box in the PowerPoint presentation and inserting clip art. So these two topics today we are going to learn. So these two topics are very important, dear children. So how to insert a text box, and whenever we need to type any text, so we need a specific box, text box. So don't confuse with the placeholder and a text box. The placeholder we can insert, the placeholder can hold text, image, everything. But whereas in the text box, we can use only the text. So how to insert the text box in that? So today, these two topics we are going to see. So dear children, listen carefully. So here we start the class. Inserting text box. How to insert text box in that PowerPoint presentation, sir? Here we go. Sometimes you may want to add more text than the area provided for entering text. Read that once again. Sometimes we may need to add more text than the area provided to enter in text. The text box tool present on the Insert tab allows you to add more text to your slide. So dear children, when we have a text box, the text box can be moved everywhere in the slide. In a particular slide, we can move the text box everywhere. So if we need more text to type other than the provided, so placeholder provides only limited area to type, and then we have to extract. So text box will allow you to enter more text, right? So how to insert text box, sir? Simple. The text box tool present on the Insert tab that allows you to add more text to your slide. So it is available. I said in the beginning of the class, right? When we start the computer class, I said whatever we need to add or insert, so we have to go to the Insert tab. So there it is available, all the types of inserting. Whatever we need to insert, that can be inserted there, right? So here we go. Next, text box is a placeholder where you can enter multiple text. You can move the text box along with this contents anywhere on the slide. It is just a small placeholder, dear children. It is a placeholder that can be moved anywhere with the text, right? So how to do that? How to insert a text box in the presentation? Click on the new slide. So we can click a new slide, yeah, on the slide group on the home tab. So there are many ways to create a new slide in the PowerPoint presentation, dear children. So first one is, what we supposed to do? We have to click on new slide button on the slide group on the home tab, slide groups, click on new slide. Or we can just do one thing, in the mouse point, right click and the new slide. We can do that. Or in the keyboard, you can press Ctrl plus M. Shortcut key to insert a new slide, Ctrl plus M. When you press Ctrl plus M, that new slide will be inserted, right? Yeah. And enter the title, activities of the month. Enter the title, activities of the month. Click on the click to add subtitle placeholder in the slide. Type judo championship, cricket match, volleyball, chess. Also shown. See here, in this picture they have typed everything. Judo championship, cricket match, volleyball, chess. Right? So they, what did they say in the main title? Activities of the month. See here, activities of the month. That can be done. And then select the text box tool, which is there in the Insert tab, to the text group, Insert tab. Hold down the left mouse button. While dragging the mouse diagonally towards the right and release the mouse button. You will get a rectangular box with the cursor inserted. Enter the text January. So dear children, see here what we are going to do now. So we are going to make this PowerPoint. We are going to make this slide. Activities of the month, judo championship, cricket match, volleyball, chess. See here, this is a one placeholder, but we need one text here. We cannot move it. So according to our thinking, we have to insert a text, so that we have in text box. Text box. When we insert text box, we can type here, 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 anywhere in the corner. Along with the text, we can move. Whereas the placeholder, when we move, entire content will be moved. So if we need multiple, very small letter, one word, one line, so for those type, we can use text box, right? So let us do that here. So I'll do you, right? See here, how to insert a new slide, sir. So I'm going to insert a new slide down of this one. So here, click this slide. We are going to insert a new slide. How to do that? See here, the slide home tab, under the slide group, new slide. Click on new slide. See here now, new slide has been inserted. Now, what we are going to do? Let me choose the layout. Now, we have to type activities of the month, right? Activities. Activities of the month. We typed here, activities of the month, right? And then what we type? What we need to type? Games, right? Cricket match. Cricket match. Volleyball. Chess. Basketball. So we have inserted everything in that placeholder. But what we supposed to do? We have to insert here January. We have to insert January. So we cannot directly go there to insert. We can directly insert here. In this placeholder, if we want to type here, what is supposed to? So the placeholder directly goes here. We can only type here. But we need the content here. In that case, only we need a text box. When we have the text box, anywhere in the corner we can move it. Right? Here we do. How to insert text box? Go to the insert. Then under the text group, there is a text box. Click here. After clicking it, left click in your keyboard or on the mouse, left click and drag. Left click, drag. Drag. See now, a small placeholder appears now. Now you can type January. So type January here. So now wherever we need, we can move it. Just keep here. So this is how we need to. This is how we need to make. So in this in the text box, if you want to add one word, two words, in any corner, if you want to move this January to the corner, we can move along the text box, right? If you use that entire placeholder, so the entire placeholder will move. We cannot arrange it properly. So that we need January, the text box. With the text, along with the text box, we can move anywhere, right? So next, we shall cover the next topic. Inserting clip art. Inserting clip art. Dear children, this is very easy, very important. What is the meaning of clip art? So computer, when we install Microsoft PowerPoint, they give a default some clip arts like pictures. See here the pictures. Whatever we need, we can type, we can get that. But in the latest version, they are not providing all this facility. The old versions, they give all this facility. But from internet, we can download. From online, we can download and we can insert the clip art. Right? How to do that, sir? So sometimes when we make a PowerPoint or any project or any show presentation source, we need to have some clip art, images. In that case, we need all these type of images, clip art. So What we can do, if we have in the computer itself, we can insert it, or if you don't have that pictures in your computer, we can download from internet and we can copy and paste it here. So how to insert a clip art? Let us see. So the clip art feature is used to add pictures in that slides. Used to add the pictures in the slides. You can add clip art images to the existing slides to enhance their appearance. Place the cursor where you want to insert the picture. So when we insert pictures in the PowerPoint presentation, it gives more appearance to the slides. It gives more appearance to the slide, so that instead of typing all the text in that presentation, it will make bore to the audience. Rather, if you add some pictures, it will make a good appearance, so that they go for it, right? How to do that, sir? Select the insert tab. Dear children, whatever we are going to add or insert, first what we are supposed to do, we have to go to insert tab. Then click on the clip art button on the images group. The clip art task pan is displayed on that right side of the window. Dear children, you see here, first what we are supposed to do, select the right insert tab. First we have to use insert tab, and then click on the clip art button. When you insert, there's a images group and clip art group, right? There we can insert this group, but whereas in that Microsoft 13 latest versions, they don't give this facility, but they give the facility to use from internet. Okay, in the images group, the clip art task pan is displayed on the right side of the window. So right side as it is shown here, so it will be opened. Then we can type whatever we need. If the picture is available there, it will show, or else it will not show. That computer, when we search computer, whatever related to the computer images will show here, right? And then the type the search keyword to the search box, search for next box. For example, type computer, in that search for text box and click the go button. Click go button. When you click go button, it will look for searching. And then it will display the list of clip art images related to that computer. Whatever is related to the computer, everything will show. So this is how we have to. Then click OK. So when you do that, so next one, click the down arrow next to the picture to be added and click on the insert button. So after searching the image, clip art image, select the image and then give insert. So that will be inserted. The selected clip art is inserted in the center of the slide. You can resize or change the location of the clip art according to your requirement. So what we are supposed to do, after selecting the image, we can after inserting, we can resize, we can make the size bigger, smaller, we can do everything. So clip art according to your requirement. So according to our need, if we need small one, we can make it small, or if we need bigger one, we can make it bigger one. So in this way we can do it. Yes, dear children. So I'll just show you where it is there. So how to insert it? We have to go to insert tab, under the images group. All this, as I said, the latest version, they don't give this facility, but we can work from the internet, right? See here pictures, we can in that this device means from the computer, we can insert from this computer if you have, or from online pictures. So when you click on, browser will open, there you can type whatever they have shown here, we can type and search. So the images will be visible, then we can insert and we can follow the rest of the instructions, steps. So the screenshot also we can take, photo album also we can make. So there are more facilities here in that clip art images group, right? Yes, dear children, today we have seen the important two topics, that is inserting clip art and inserting text, text box. The text box will allow us to insert the text, one word also, and that text box we can move anywhere around in the slides. anywhere in the corner we can move it along with the text, right? Clip art will allow us to make the more appearance to the slides. So when you find a chance, use this, try to practice at home. So when you practice more, so you become familiar. So when I got a chance, practice it and study properly. Thank you.